Tukasa presents how to set up your own rebar threading station. Step 1. Buy rebar couplers, threading machine, and all essential tools like rollers, blades, tightening wrench, chasers, and dies, all available with Tukasa. Step 2. Cast a simple 8 by 8 feet PCC platform on a plain ground. Cover it with a GI sheets shed. Create a steel rack to stack rebars sufficient enough to carry at least 100 rebars, and ensure a 3-phase power connection nearby. Step 3. Assign one of your workers. We'll train them to operate the threading machine in just a few sessions, or get your steel fixing contractor to train a couple of his laborers. Step 4. Start threading rebars on site exactly as per your schedule. Step 5. Save valuable time and cost, plus gain full control over quality and planning. Tukasa, couplers you can trust. We help you build smart, safe, and in control. To learn more, visit us at tukasaglobal.com.